In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change background wallpaper on Windows 11. Changing the background wallpaper on Windows 11 can significantly enhance your computing experience by personalizing your workspace, reflecting your tastes, and boosting your mood. On your home page, simply head to your settings. You will then select on personalization. Click on this first option of background. On this page, you can either choose on these recommended backgrounds or tap right here to select any other picture from your gallery. You can also customize to a slideshow background right here. This allows you to express your personality and preferences, making your computer feel uniquely yours. That's how easy it is to change your computer background on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.